Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So looking at the 8 hour, strong move up this week, consolidation flag, and looks like it's breaking. So we'll see that on the lower time frame. Trend is up, oscillators are a little bit overbought, and also a bit of diversions and crossed over, so a bit of confusion here. But Fed minutes didn't do anything to the market, and there is my structure that we're bouncing off at the moment. So and you can see that is a little bit, that is the previous high here from 13th of September. So right now we have Thanksgiving weekend upon us, so I do not expect much to happen. 3 hour oscillators are sort of all over the place, but we have crossed over here. This is a strong area of potential support, and we've got inside bar here plus engulfing bar on the 3 hour. So there's a very strong possibility that this is going to move to the upside, even if it is only 350 points to the upside. Remember, this is the last video for some time as we're traveling next week, and you've got the long weekend in the US tomorrow and Friday. So I'll only be back late next week. So we're going to be, well, you're going to be flying blind, not me. But stick to your strategies and you'll be safe. Right, you can see how this was defended yesterday as the noise came out. So as the minutes came out, algorithms are trying to find holes in the minutes or information in the minutes that's going to indicate what the future direction of the market is, and it was all over the place. We've still got these gaps in play from Monday. I don't really trust that. And then we got no indication from oscillators at the moment. So bear in mind, end of the week for the US right now, a lot of people start traveling on their holidays today, later tonight as well. So I'd be a little bit cautious about anything on the US indexes. So that's kind of just me. And you can see the confusion here when you drill down to the 15-minute. That's complete confusion. So on the 15-minute, we can look at this and say that's our range. This is the break of the range. We're looking for a retest. We've got two gaps below. Oscillators grip the upside. So from a 15-minute perspective, I'm looking for a retest of 35114. If that fails, I'd want to see what happens down here again. But this is going to be a very wary trade for me to bounce off, to trade up long of 35067. Because it's been tested so many times. Feel a little bit uncomfortable doing that, but that is the only two opportunities that you see here at the moment. So we should be looking for longs. Bigger trend is up. We do have gaps to the downside which could impact us, and then you could have a situation of people taking profit of their longs at the moment before the long weekend, cashing out on their trades and banking the cash while they go enjoy on a holiday. So be very, very cautious of just jumping in at the moment. You're going to want to see confirmation of anything that you do. So the first confirmation you're looking for would be a retest of 35114. If that happens, you get a decent retest, inside bar, engulfing bar, pin bars, something similar to like this, but obviously we'd want the moving averages below the price action like it is now. For that to happen, and then that would give you the opportunities to look for the longs to the upside. Don't be too surprised to see us just range as well. So there's no real catalyst except the holiday at the moment. So the only thing that I think that that's going to do for you is it's going to drive potentially some profit taking, but sometimes people just hold on as well. So that would just leave us in a sideways range. So for me, I think US markets are pretty much a no-go today, and that'll only really pick up on next week Monday. That's the only thing that I can suggest at the moment. Anyway, I'm sitting on my hands with the US markets. We will wait this one out and we'll pick it up. Well, I won't pick it up next week. I'll pick it up the week after. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. No, we won't. Sorry, we'll catch up with you in probably a week and a bit.